for another social media and smartphones in secret any baby abimo. So when him say what it baby na wo ye obi bi no bi enhu echedia and his wetwa ho atro kese pa say nipa mienu kwa na say what sad mu a and ye dey aba beto aponti nipa ba kokura mpo yetimi epe kwan bi so enhu eche na nipa mienu de ama me kofa ensem no e wasa kwan no so and say Honorable Kennedy Japan ni secret video bi abeto Jameson for honorable things na woni obi ojiridie obi one no wonkomudie edi nkomo efa journalist ahodo a te se wo intimidate wo mo abuse wo mo ne se wo threaten wo mo no se denti a wo ye ne sa na ni nyina so nti a wotimi nya kudo ne sa na no na te se video ni mo no nkomo ni mo no honorable what they to just say oh man penita nechi anas dey buy expose number 12 fi buy ya now to anas peja na beti say the Ghana heni a hyen ko to komo no kura abetimi akwa undercover ni nya no sa abre no eno otimi intimidate anas kura e man no twesan ya te say dwumedie no kapon wan to aso anya biem na ni niam no otimi ye esan say the man penita nechi o full support of your man Penita say we could back on out here and Nas Arabia on the boss and I need not down for Nimpo and anti company or the need send be cried to come and pay new crap our own finance or no a year honorable Canadian upon my penny fin 1 year sacra. That's one no dear. Or my Penita cheaper. Now what kind some night I could do they can and I offer more they can send a man for say I come an inch in one part. There was a fire every day I make a 170 and understand I make a message we could be so I say boy cheat on my date me J Abramo or chat dear herbal center or chat the herbal center say Frank I boy in small BPI repair also at now so we will be here any year walk and call one of the brave from Australia than so my Accra and if him to Tamale Northern Virgin no one to me and I say open or show person further details about me phone lines na da se won afre ofra mbeje so fefe na o mapoa na won so etimi nya pomudi etu dada mapa obra o kwa esefata eso ye kotie honorable e wo video yi ameka wasem yi embra ye ba echi sem nya masa de kan e de so
now he thought he could use the media to block and I'm that hard and for what security Pakumi can say also never only and as a man in court I'll beat the shit out of him to take that thing out. You are security regular to be many never you are kind of what full support from there. Oh yeah, full support. First no day, oh yeah.
It was your for him. Honorable Kennedy Japan, member of parliament at the Emma Asin Central, and the Muslim was chairman of Parliament Defense Committee. And I say, Makotie a year, Nene, and Nasimahunu. Awo kasewa kuduro mu ene awtoso mu ewo ye video ye ko sheba ye emu na eyemonwa. This is the same manner of what presidential ambition said that she be Namia na Duma or no so bit majina mampeni akensi enu na ze nipa Ghana for atono swabani yi no so bit na benja mu na de say ono so bu o man yi na openi sing na the same way walker say otimi intimidated journalist. Emma the journalist no cry chile jumedi esate say otimi yama journalist no cry pono feeling uncomfortable when the jumedi awoye anansi dimpen otimi boy but from recent times no journalists would be a din so be fam amatuale that's why since and kom biemu no Erastus as I don't call the joy from abranti e dey so e da so e wo ada say that wa so na won sem ye can we table for as a month for say papa edu bra asotwe esese enko enfama na hu ne say enye ne kwan so otimi enya kudo tina o man mu edi se adwumade no because ba the journalist ye fa ho dia enye Ghana man mungu a eye man ewiase mansania ehi ade pa se esemtrofo ebenya wo right and freedom to operate enti se bani se obi di to me intimidate o ma enye ade e betimi atna se ehwe han e wo nti se wonu anunu to no otimi kan se ndi se dia enye ono a ne sempa wa maye enough evidence I betimi gina so e dey push for international bodies say somewhere somehow se Ghana ban yentimi sanshina wo mumre mu no mo ensanshino enye mo ase eye na aba anamo aso astarte company say UK so ensanction ban travel ban honorable Kennedy Japan so bizan say video yi eba abontina ma ofo dodo na omo enya ahwete wo say dabi tiete ne nsema ne komo duwa otun say bufum no ebe mu na waka but we dey enye bufu so enye say ne ra wa na say bibi hye no so na ofsha ne pleasure time bi ya te say wo gene no ahunu gie mu bre bi ya say why relax and wo dey kasa say na say adwumpo bi a wo ne tima wo tu ho anamo amana be say pepe so we na ni niemu no meja ye de aka no ade aba mo say won so majen twe fa ho ene say de mutifi ono abo anu yi den na madwen eye mo efa ho de tie bia no mo made na mo fa so me we comment section e bia mo no share video we on all the social media platforms but mo dia follow Tuma GH or Instagram Twitter so at Tuma GH _ Facebook Tuma GH na mo bi so any me dey sem no esi e me ya do my best and share be makra mo dia bye bye.